All right, everybody. Welcome back to AI Newbie Hub, where we learn, build, and create with AI. Today, we're going to be diving into something that I am really starting to enjoy. It is image, image, uh, image creation, but we're taking a little different thing because I don't just go into these places, these image creators, and say, "Hey, this is what I want." You learn to write the prompts, and the more detailed your prompt is, of course, the better the picture. And we're going to delve into a little bit of that. And so pretty much how I use ChatGPT to generate my prompts, and then we're going to use those. We're going to generate the prompts, and then we're going to go check out and see what the results are on. We're going to use Leonardo AI. We're going to use Google's ImageFX, and we're also going to use ChatGPT 4.0 image creator. So that is what we're going to do. And I welcome all of you if you're new here. If you're one of the few of my subscribers at the moment, I welcome you back. Otherwise, let's get into this.
Hey there, welcome to the hub where we learn and build with AI love. No code, no fear, we got your back. Just hit play, we're on the newbie track. Learn, build, create, let's dive in. It's AI fun, where do we begin?
Okay, everybody, welcome back. Okay, as you can see, I am in ChatGPT. Now, I've also got a little document over here, which it don't look like you can see. We're going to make this bigger. I don't know how they do that, but anyway, there we go. There's no need not being able to see this. Okay, so here we go. We are going to use ChatGPT, and we're going to ask it to make a prompt. So, it can, if you don't have to be an artist. If you have an idea of what you want, you can let ChatGPT know it, and what it'll do is it will start creating prompts. Now, Leonardo, you've only got so many images you can create a day for free. Uh, ChatGPT 4.0, I know at least the plus, it don't have a limit. The limit is pretty much how the use, how many people are using it. But you can, if your image don't come out the way you want it, you're able to let ChatGPT know that, and it will upgrade your prompt. It's really cool. So the more detailed your prompt, the better it is. So we're going to start with a simple prompt. Create me a prompt. Create me, a prompt for an image of a dragon playing chess in the park. Okay, I like dragons, so we're going with dragons. That's going to be our theme today. Okay, so right here. Here is the prompt it gives. A majestic, intelligent dragon with shimmering emerald scales, sitting calmly at a wooden chess table in a lush, sunlit park. Dragon's massive claws delicately move a chess piece, focus and strategic. The park is vibrant with blooming flowers and tall trees, with onlookers, gentle breeze. So here's what we're going to take. I don't need the quotes. We're going to take this. Now, I do know that ChatGPT is the slowest. So, with ChatGPT, right now, you can come in here, you can go to image creation, and it'll turn blue, and it'll say that. So, I'm going to put this in here. Okay, now we're going to come over to Google ImageFX, do the same thing. And now we're going to come here to Leonardo. Now, if you look at Leonardo, I got 150 tokens. I am using the Leonardo model. I don't have any negatives and all that. So what we're going to do is we're going to generate this. Okay. Now it's starting. Here we go. This is Google FX. Now remember the prompt I gave it was give me a prompt for what did I tell it? Create a prompt for an image of a dragon playing chess in the park. That's all I ask it for. I don't know why I can't ever see these bigger. Anyway, there's that one. There's that. There's that. See, you got the onlookers. I don't see anything wrong with that dragon. Leonardo. Gruff dragon. That looks really good. Look at that. I don't have different colored chess pieces, but maybe he ate the others. So excellent work, excellent work. Now let's see. Okay, now if you notice, the others gave me 4 images. I did not get 4 with ChatGPT. I got 1, and the others just comparing. Oh, wait. Oh, anyway, it won't let me get bigger. I don't know why. There we go. Maybe that'll do it. No, they didn't do it anyway. Anyway, these are way more realistic looking than that, than this one. And these are just amazing. That's Leonardo. Okay, I give that to Leonardo. Theirs was excellent. So, okay, with that, you see, with a simple prompt, simple prompt. Literally, create me a prompt for an image of a dragon playing chess in a park. Okay, now we're going to try to refine that a little. And what it is ask it some questions, okay? Well, what subject are you on? What are you trying to create? I want to create a dragon playing chess. What makes it unique? He's in a park wearing sunglasses and a t-shirt. Specify the style, realistic, cartoonish, or abstract. I want a CGI cartoon style. Now, you copy this. You could use this right here as a format, fill it out, copy it, and say, create me an image with these following guidelines. Or you can rewrite the prompt yourself. I put a dragon playing chess in the park, wearing sunglasses and a t-shirt, CGI cartoon style. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. I'm come back over here to ChatGPT. Okay, and I'm going to create me a prompt for an image. What else did I copy? Of a dragon playing chess in a park, wearing sunglasses, t-shirt, CGA cartoon style. Okay, I added a couple details. It's a little bit bigger than that one. Let's see what it comes up with. A friendly, colorful dragon with bright green scales, wearing a cool black sunglasses and a graphic t-shirt that says Chess Master. Sitting at a picnic table in a lively park. Dragons carefully moving chess peacefully. Park is animated with cartoonish trees, flowers, seen as vibrant CGI cartoon style with exaggerated features. Okay, you see now it has added to that. So again, we're going to start in the slow one. We know this is the slow one, which is nothing wrong with that. I don't mind that. We're going with a new search because a lot of times they'll try to blend things together. So remember that. ChatGPT, if you keep in the same chat session, it'll blend your things together. So we're going with this one. Make sure it's going okay. This image X, we're going to create that one, and we're going to do the same thing here, and we're going to use 24 more to create that. And then we're going to see what they do. Look at this. Look at this. Now see how quick this is now? Okay, just think of that. Why am I not seeing my pictures correctly? Damn. Anyway, they just messing with me, I think. Okay, so anyway, there's one, Chessmaster spelled right. They got the different colored pieces, cartoonish animals. I thought he was smoking a cigarette. He's not. Chessmaster, again, spelled right. I don't know what's happening there. I don't see how this is quite... Oh, it may be just me, but... Sunglasses, Chessmaster, that's correct. It's got different colored pieces. It just only has one of the others. This one don't. And he broke that one. He's got his sunglasses, Chessmaster. You can't see all master, but it looks spelled right. That's not bad. Not bad. Now, look at this. Chessmaster. Oh, look at that. That is what I'm talking about. And hey, look, he brought another one. And he's got two pieces, two colors. He broke that one. They just tend to do that. The spelling's right. Everything. That is nice. Okay, again, Leonardo is coming in. And okay, look. I've seen really good images come out of ChatGPT. I don't know what that is. I mean, we're talking about that. I'm just trying to show some pictures of it. Okay, these I've been working with. This is some of the things. But, I mean, other than the words, granted, that's what I'm working on. But this is ChatGPT, so I don't know what that is. I guess the CGI cartoony thing really did. I don't like that one. These are cute. These are just awesome. All around. Leonardo. So Leonardo is the way to go, guys. With that, the more detail you give the prompts, the better looking they are. Let's see, create a prompt for Leonardo. We did that. Okay, we did that. Let's see, let's put these. Yeah, well, we did this. They actually, again, my script is written by AI, just the AI channel. But I don't go by I use my script as a guideline, and it wanted me to leave itself out of the running. And I guess it's embarrassed. The only thing I can think of is it's literally embarrassed. I don't even know where it's at now. That was just thing. So it hadn't even appeared. I've got it over here. Yeah, I can't run. You can't run. That's all I can think of. It's really. I'm just embarrassed. So you get 150 credits a day. Take advantage of Leonardo AI. ChatGPT can do a really good job. It can. You just gotta, I guess, depending on what it's making and what you're putting into it. They all gave me a different rendition of what I was asking for. I just, not being an artist, but being able to visualize it, these are what I would have visualized more than the others. So with that, I would stay with Leonardo. But I am using ChatGPT now for thumbnails or for the assistants along with Leonardo. So with that, let's see if there's anything else. It says I need to tell you. Okay, so you can see how same prompt across all of them will give you different results. So just find the image creator that you want. Next time I do images, I'll load up Focus. It uses it's not a local image creator, but it is. I think it can be. So it's a little different, but I'll show you that one too. It's pretty cool. It's really cool. Otherwise, if you got any cool prompts you want me to try out, let me know. Put them in the comments. If you like this, if you like this video, give me a like, subscribe, leave a comment, say, hey, this is what you can do better. This is what I liked. We'll have more content all month long. Be putting out videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then I'll have our shorts Monday through Friday. I'll have a short out, and eventually we're going to get into some live stuff. But right now, that's all I've got. Hope you enjoyed this, and with that, I'm going to say goodbye. You have a good day, and we'll catch you next time.